Wutong Holding Group Company Limited was established in 1999 and went public on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2012. As a leading intelligent manufacturing enterprise in the communication and Internet information service industry, we have built exceptional cooperative relationships with customers and partners across various sectors, including telecommunications, banking, household appliances, logistics, retail, internet, culture and media, and public services. Optical communication product is one of our main products, for which we have a dedicated team focused on research and development, production, and sales of fiber optic connection products, including optical cables, fiber optic patch cords, MPO, MTP patch cords, optical splitters, and optical distribution boxes that are widely employed in wireless communication base station systems, wireless network optimization coverage systems, FTTX areas, and data centers. We have successfully cleared multiple certification systems, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001, and have equipped our laboratory with advanced testing equipment to conduct various tests, such as flame retardancy, tensile strength, drop resistance, waterproofing, high and low temperature resistance, salt spray, and ROS, ensuring optimal performance and reliability of our products in different environments. At present, our products have been recognized in more than 20 countries worldwide, including France, Poland, India, Vietnam, Myanmar, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Ecuador, Panama, and Australia. We are continuously striving to innovate and improve to provide customers with higher quality products and services. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you to create a good future together.